Hello, I hope you're all doing great out there. We are on our second lesson now in the music theory packet for symphony orchestra. The first one was scale degrees. If you haven't done that yet, watch the video, fill out that very short section on the bottom of your first page, take a screenshot of it, and submit it in the assignment. If you're done with that already, here we go. We're going to talk today about solfeggio, which is on the next page. So here we are. Solfeggio is the Italian name for it, and solfeo is in Spanish, solfège is in French, and really this was the English name someone came up for this system, solfa, and it never really caught on. We usually use the French one, so if you're walking around talking about solfège, you call it solfège. All right, and what it is another system of naming the notes in a scale, in a major scale. This is really important, which is why there's a lot of different concepts in music theory that deal with the same thing. Scale degrees mainly talk about the function of each note in a scale, and solfège gives you nice sounding syllables that are easy to sing. Here's how they work.
Let's see if I can make it easier.
This is from The Sound of Music. Oh man, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa. I hope you're getting these. Sol, la, ti, do. Whoa, oh, that was fast. Okay, but we got them all in there. So to review, that song was really helpful. I hope you listen to this maybe a couple times and get it really stuck in your head. And once you do, you see you get do is first, re is second, mi is third, fa is fourth, sol is fifth, la is sixth, T is seventh, and then you get to do again. And you'll notice that these all have similar roles to the scale degrees we talked about before. Okay, so this is enough to get you filled in here, but I'm going to get you even a little bit deeper in this concept by talking about one more thing, and then you're going to fill out a couple questions and submit those quiz style here on Schoology. The other concept we're going to talk about then is how you use these syllables in different keys. In the United States, it's most common to use something called the movable do solfege system, and in that system, do is always the first note of whatever major scale you're on. If that's B flat major, do becomes B flat. If that's A major, then do becomes A. So this is just the first note in the scale, and the rest are in the same order no matter what. It's called movable do because do moves to whatever key you're in to the first note of the scale. All right, so if that's the case, and we have we'll just say we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the notes we use in music. The questions you're going to get are, if you start with do on such and such note, then what is going to be the re in that key or the la in that key or whatever. To do that, you just need to do two things. First of all, the letters always stay in the same order, so you just start wherever you want to start. You count up the numbers until you get to the right scale degree that you're aiming for, and then you have to remember the sharps or flats that are in that key. So let's do a couple examples. C major has no sharps or flats, so we don't need to worry about those. If we're looking for T in C major, we can go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. There we go, we're on B. What did we do there? Just count it up in alphabetical order until we got to the right number. If we are in E flat major, it's E something, okay? And we're looking for sol. So E flat in that case, F, do, re, mi, fa, sol. It's going to be B something. That never changes. And in E flat major, there are 3 flats. Your scale sheet can help you with this. Or you can just look it up online. You can look up the scale. Sol in the key of E flat would be B flat. Does that make sense? So they're always going to be numbered 1 through 7. You can move do to any starting note and then just count up through those solfege to get to whichever scale degree you want to get to. And then the last step will be make sure you're using the right sharps or flats for whatever that key is, and you'll get it done. Good luck with the questions below. Fill them out. And I look forward to taking a look at your answers. Good luck with everything, and lesson number 3 coming up next. Bye-bye.